Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all common fish in Fish It Roblox. So if you start at maybe 89 or 99% of your fish index, it's usually because the common tire fish in here, you miss this because you're too busy hunting the secret or the mythic fish. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact trick so you can complete your fish index, because as you know, to enter the new area, the Leviathan Den, you need to complete your fish index to 100% in the pirate cove here. So what you need to do to catch the common fish is change your roads into the starter road, this one, and also change your bait to the starter bait, this one in here. And you need to go to the settings here and turn off your luck modifiers like this, and after that you can just start fishing. And just like that, you'll easily get the common fish to complete your fish index, because the common fish is usually missed by players. As you guys can see, I don't have the common fish, all of it yet, in the Fisherman Island or in the Pirate Cove. So that's how you can get the common fish to complete your fish index. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.